back to today's vlog, or to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe button down below. Today we're decorating for Christmas and I'm so flipping excited. We've had a great day so far. Blake took me to Target and we got matching PJs so we could decorate the tree, and we got Starbucks, and we got brand new lights for our tree too, because we have mismatched lights, like some that are more warmer tones, some that are more cooler tones, some that twinkle, some that don't. So we got all new lights so that they all match. We got Nala pet sweater, and I've just been having the best day ever. We went to Disney Springs and had some lunch and did the Christmas tree stroll, and so now I'm gonna pull out all the decorations and we're gonna decorate. We just vacuumed and cleaned the house. Blake's gonna put on his jammies, and we're just gonna have the best day ever. So I'm super excited. So anyway, look at Nala. Weird dog. Anyway, let's pull out the decoration. I need some Christmas socks too. Oh, okay. Ari. This is Halloween. We did it, folks. Time to decorate. I want to know, are you the type of person that has matching wrapping paper for under your tree, or do you just have a smorgasbord of wrapping paper? Because personally, I just get whatever wrapping paper is on sale the year before, and that's what I use the following year. Eco-friendly, baby. Also, got a knock on our door this morning at like 9 o'clock, and I was so confused, and I walked out there, and it was a family, a mom and her 2 kids, and I opened the door, and I was like, I'm sorry, I just woke up. What's up? And the little girl was like, oh, like, do you know church? And I was like, yes, I know church. And she's like, oh, well, at church, we are doing this thing where we want to say thank you to the people who are nice to us, and we want to be nice to our neighbors, and so we're giving out cookies, and we wanted to give these to you because you're always so nice to us and you let us pet your dog. She gave me little cookies. So freaking sweet. It literally made my entire day. Every time I'm walking Nala, I'm always in a hurry. I'm not thinking about it. I'm just trying to get to work. And honestly, sometimes when kids ask me to pet her, I'm like, okay. But it means so much that it meant so much to a little girl. And look at these cookies. Warmed my little heart. So anyway, I just had to share that story. But let's decorate. It's been such a great day. We're getting Blake's Christmas jammies on and Nala's Christmas jammies. So I got her this little reversible pet bandana. It was like $5. And then these, which I think she's gonna wear tonight because they're gonna match us. Why don't you wear a white shirt and just wear that on top? Because the shorts should fit, right? So I think I'm gonna put this on her because then it'll match with the red and the stripes and stuff. So let's put it on. Nally, come here. Let's put this down here. It fits? Good. Alright, ready, sis? You're gonna be so pretty in your Christmas sweater. You're gonna be a little princess. You already are one, but you're gonna be a little Christmas princess. Ready? What the heck does this thing go on? I think it goes. Come here. Ready? There we go. Oh, so pretty! So pretty! I'm definitely doing something wrong here. Okay. Ready? Let me see this foot. Good girl. There we go. And this one. Good job! Oh my goodness, you look so cute! Okay, other foot's up. Beautiful girls! Oh my goodness, we got Christmas jammies! Let's show the camera, come here. Oh my goodness, you look so cute! Let's show the cameras. You styling and profiling, sister. You look so cute. Let's put your little hoodie on. Oh my goodness, she can't see. Oh my goodness, you look so cute, girl. You look so cute, girl. She's not sure how she feels about it. Those are some comfy jammies. They're gonna match mom and dad. All right, we'll see how she feels about it in a few minutes. All right, we've got Elf on. It's our tradition to watch Elf every year while we decorate the tree. We've got Cheesecake Factory ordered. We've got some sparkling rosé. I know this isn't a wine glass, but it's in a Christmas glass. And we're ready to decorate. My next idea is, where are we gonna put the tree? I'm thinking right here. But there's also that corner if we move the banana plant. I think we're gonna put it here and look and see what it looks like. And maybe we'll move it after. But for now, I think that's where it's gonna go. I'm gonna put the camera here for a time lapse.
To settle down.
You know what I just realized? If Santa knows all the kids in the world, he would have known his name wasn't really Buddy. Buddy would have, because he knows all about him too. He knows, like, about his dad and everything. So he had to have known his real name. I guess that's his adopted name. Best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. Show the camera. Not a tinsel dog! This last year, so it says our first pandemic 2020, and inside it has like rolls of toilet paper, face masks, Lysol bottles, and Purell hand sanitizer. I got this off of Etsy last year, and I was on the wait list for this for so long, and I got it, and it's just like, it's one of those ornaments that I'm definitely never gonna forget our 2020, so super cool. guys, we're pretty much all done decorating. I mentioned it in my Halloween video, but we never really had a lot of decorations because we've been moving like every year since we've been together. So I think now, sorry, not less drinking water, but I think now this year we're gonna invest in some decorations since we plan to be in Orlando long term. But let me give you a little tour. So first off, we have the tree in R2. We added some little Oreo candy canes to the tree. I like to have candy canes on the tree so you can get a little snack if you need it. R2's lights don't work, so we need to put some new ones in. So we're gonna go to Target tomorrow and get him some. And then over here, I got my little happy holidays for being a cast member. And then at the front door, we switched out these books with some Joanne Fluke Christmas books. And then over here, we've got the Mickey's Christmas Carol records. We got these little tea towels that says all is bright and fa la 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 from Target. And then we've got some little Christmas blankets. Blake's chillaxing over there. Another Christmas blanket is by him, and then this little Christmas pillow. And then over here we've got our stockings, another piece of garland. All of this stuff we got from Target, except for the Star Wars, stocking, which we got from Amazon. And then down there we switched out our books as well. So not a lot, but I think it looks really good, and it's just so magical. I love Christmas so much. Cheesecake Factory arrived. I got some cauliflower tacos that came with some rice and beans, and then we ordered, I don't know which box it is. Oh, here it is. Some mac and cheese as well. Blake got a miso salmon, and it always comes with bread from DoorDash. We got the fried cauliflower, Korean fried cauliflower, and we finished Elf, so now we are catching up on Survivor. Yummy! Happy date night.